Nasa gitna ng ano? May kotse dito.
Para dito sa open, kailangan puntahan mo to.
Hey, Anthony. Yeah. Just to protect your eye from... Oh, get your... Ayos.
Mag-payment tayo dun, tapos ikot, diba mag-u-turn tayo?
Saan tayo, bro? Kanan? Kaliwa? Bigla. There you go. Ganda rin dito. It's nice here also. It got cold, man. Because of the trees, right?
No, I ride on 30 degrees.
Wow. Oh, Tito Mark gonna tell you something. Ano yun mo? Sundan mo. Ship your ship. Ship. Don't forget your brake, Anthony, okay? So we're riding our Avalanche with these professional bikers. Professional, look at that. Alchemy, nice. Giant. So what's your shock? Pike, RockShox, Pike. And then what's the upgrade that you did? This one, right?
Oh yeah, it's a BMW.
BMW. And then you shock this one.
Wala, putol yan. Ang paikot lang doon sa ano. Pero ang sabi nila, meron gagawin doon sa... Pero hindi tayo pupunta rito. Oo nga, dito.
Ganda ng lake nila. Have a nice lake. Sa'yo, giant.
It's a classic one.
Is it since 2016? Is it? Ganda.
Kailangan mo upgrade dito.
Yung rotor.
160 ba yan o 180 na? 180 ka dyan.
I'll sell my M1A and then I'm gonna buy a Alchemy for Santa Cruz. Oh, this is Romeo, our friend here. Oh. And then he has... Ano yung ano? What's your ano?
Bronson.
Ito, you upgraded that, right?
Yung brake.
The brake. And then what's your tire size?
29, 27.
29. Oh, ano yung 27?
Rear.
So, tapos yung pinilitan yung rotor. Pero yung shock, you didn't change that.
No, it's, I don't know, man. More than enough, man. Fox na yun eh.
Mga package na siya.
More than enough. Okay lang. The hubs for the day.
Oh, tara.
Yun, pre.
Ito tayo doon sa isang watch. Left and right.
Uphill ah. Nag-ano ka, Willie ah. Partida. Morning. Oo, yung ano. Sa trail tayo tol, yung hindi masyadong professional na katulad mo. Masyadong mataas tong bike ko. So we are na, ha? Large yung ano, batalya. Doing all the way number 1, okay? Ayos pa. Ay, matindi sa Arizona. Tumira kami doon. Horseback riding naman. Oh, go straight. You know how to stand up now, Anthony? You want to try? The off-road. So you're gonna get used to it. Oh, ito tayo lake. Ano yan eh, gravel. Hindi naman.
Are you guys ready?
Okay. Oh, go ahead, Anthony. Rider, up. By 10. Hello. Ang dami. Sabado. Taasan ko yung ano niya, yung upuan.
Baka hindi niya maabot. Mamaya
Nasa
mo konti.
Kunti lang.
Pagkat mo. Kasi, likod mo. Nasa likod pa lang. Hindi lang, iba lang.
Soon, you can do this. Look. Ganda. Ayos. Kaya ko na kaya ulit to? Huh? Look at that. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe next time. You need to get used to it first. Let's go. Vinny, okay? Remember that our signal before when we were in Amarillo? When I click like what, 3 times means you slow down. Go ahead, Nak. I'll be behind you. Just stay in your... So this budget bike, GT Avalanche, so far so good, right? Lower number. Good job. No, make it lower to make it bigger sprocket. Because it's going up here. Bigger lever. Where did they go? Here. Yeah. But smaller lever, it's a higher number. It's inverted. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. The smaller sprocket or gear. No. Lower number, lower gear. It's kind of confusing, right? So I know, I'm also confused. Morning. So lower number here in the shifter, it gives you bigger gear, like, so it's gonna be easier for you to pedal uphill. You understand now? Okay. Oh, come on, Anthony. Kaya niya yan. Anthony, hit the brake, okay? Walk, Anthony. Can you do it? Okay. Just walk it. Unload. Yeah, for now. Too bumpy for you for now. Of course. You'll get better and better for sure. Okay, right here. I like this trail. Ooh, I got poked with the cactus. We're gonna buy you biking shorts, anak. Let's go. Kaya dito sa kabila. Anthony, just walk here. Walk here for now. Soon you can do whatever they are doing. Yep, that's your training. And now we can ride here, okay? Lake Trail.
Okay. Did they put fingerlings there?
So this is going to Costco, UTSA, right? Oh, this one?
Nasa ilalim. Lahat ng dinadaanan mo ilalim. Dito pa.
I think lots of people fish here.
Yung dinali, house lang yun, diba? Private kasi.
Oh, that one is private.
Tawag dyan, easement. Easement yan, hindi na nila pagmamayari yan.
But at least they have access.
Meron pang, pre, actually yung fence nila, meron pa kang 2 meters. Kapag naglilinya sila ng mga internet, may karapatan ng city. Pumasok din sa loob ng bakuran.
Talaga?
Yung easement nila. Hindi na sa iyo, pero yung pray ng
City, ng government.
gas.
Ano to? Diretso tayo pag ganun, paikot na.
Hindi, babalik tayo mamaya dun. Tapos punta natin yung idol niya, si Skeleton.
Oh, skeleton. Skeleton.
Si Skeleton.
O, tara. Ayos.
Lakarin nyo lang dito.
Pababa. Anthony, go walk.
Walk this one,
It's too stiff. Steep for you.
and the rocks. Tulas to eh.
Yeah.
Sa kanya, maano na.
I'll walk. I'll be here. Siya para masanay siya. Oh, tumimplang na nga, naglalakad din. You good? You're not even riding the bike, you fell. Okay. Go ahead, Nak. Wait, let me tie your shoes. Shoelace. Oh, I don't. Okay, other one. Okay? Did you hurt yourself earlier? Thank you. Okay. Can you do it, Anthony? Diretso dito, kaya? Saan? Kaliwa. Maganda pala yung likod. 27 lang.
Ganun combination mo?
Ito, 29-20 na. Lahat. Pero maganda, 29 yung harap. No? Ideal. Go ahead. Kahilig. Preference lang lang. Oh, be careful. Tinakot ako ni Anthony. Oh, just walk. Fix your headlight. You want me to help you? No, just hold push the 2 handlebar knock like this. So look at me. Look at me like this. So lift it like this. Like that. If you're having a hard time. Fix your headlight. You good? Sila? Left? Right? Huh? What did they go, Anthony? Okay. Good job. Ligaw ka na. Here, Anton. Baliktarin mo yung damit mo, Mark. Come, Mark. Naligaw ka na, baliktarin mo yung damit mo. You're gonna get lost in this place. Whoa! Steep, steep. You okay? Is that you, Anthony? Oh, si ano pala to? Okay. Ando naman si Kamark na. I think I'm gonna buy a GoPro. May GoPro ka ano? Hero ano? Meron na ngayon yung 12 eh. Go ahead. Go. Follow Tito Romel. Tito Mark is behind you. Follow the boys. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Good job, Anthony. I'm proud of you, anak. Maliligaw ka rito pagka ano? Oh. Ah, this one. Oh, poop. Nasa gitna ng ano? May kotse dito.
Pupunta ka dito sa OP. Kailangan puntahan mo to. Sama-sama to. Pag pinost mo to, sabi mo.
Ano ba yung ito, pre? Hindi mo maayos ito.
We are here in, what's the place? OP Schnabel in San Antonio, Texas. And we rode, how many miles is this already? Like from the Pavilion one? Most 5 miles? More than 6 miles. So, we are here in OP Schnabel Trail.
Ikaw yung Fox Trail. Fox Trail pa rin pa, di ba?
Fox Trail. It's like 6 miles. And then there is a,
Malapit sa crew ito eh.
what do you call?
Crew trailhead
There's an
ito.
old car in the middle of the forest.
Diba?
I think this was like here even back in the day.
Oh.
What do you think is this Ford? Like Ford?
Ay, nakalagay yung Lancer.
Oh, Lancer. Lancer. Somebody wrote Lancer.
Yung frame na to, wala yan. Yung motorcycle frame. Nandun sa kabila.
Rio Grande.
Sabi nila, gangster. Ito tawag nila. Gangster.
I think this is like a,
Hindi, sabi nila rito sa...
this is Ford.
Gangster car.
And then there's a motorbike frame. Oh.
Yan, hinagis na lang yan. Dati buo yung
Pinagisan. Yeah, this is a, I don't know. I'm not sure if it is Ford, but you know, most likely Chrysler or Ford. Ayan o, Santa Cruz.
Sa kabila pala tayo dumaan, pre.
Hindi. Pwede ka dito. Ayan ang creek. Ito yung creek na sinasabi mo. Dadiretso mo sa gilid. Alam mo yung kaninang nilakad natin paakyat.
This one is Alchemy. GT Avalanche.
Iwa ka doon.
And then this one is... You know, there are some car enthusiasts that knows this. What is the...
Mag-iingat tayo sa
Okay?